Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to clone your voice in Descript. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and download the official Descript application and install it. After installing the application guys, you can go ahead and log into your account, and after logging in, you will be greeted by this main page right here, which is the main page of the application. If you look at the left side screen guys, you can see all of the menu options that you can access inside the application. You can see your drive, here you can see your templates, voices and so on. Here you can see all of your projects that you have been working on, and in the upper part of the screen right here you can see the new project button that you can use for going ahead and creating a new project. But for today's video guys, I'm going to go ahead and use a project that I already have. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the project by clicking on it right here. And as you can see here guys, here I have an audio file with my voice that I have been recording. So guys, basically when you have an audio file, I will be showing you right now how to clone your voice. But guys, make sure that you know that you have to have at least 10 minutes of the file. But yeah guys, when you want, you can go ahead and select the text that you want to clone. So I'm going to go ahead and select the text right here. And after that guys, a new menu option will appear ahead of the text. And you want to find this option right here called overdub. Click on overdub guys, and now you can see that this says assign an overdub voice to the speaker. So we can go ahead and click on assign voice guys, and now we have the option to assign our voice to a speaker. So what we can do guys is go ahead here under overdub voice, we can go ahead and select not selected. Now we can go ahead and select new voice. And as you can see here guys, now we can create a new voice which is called me. You can change the name to whatever you want. I have called it me. But as you can see here guys, it says that we need at least 10 minutes of audio. So basically you have to record yourself for 10 minutes of talking, and then you'll be able to go ahead and create your audio file of yourself to create your own voice. But yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. You can go ahead and play around with it. I currently do not have a longer audio file. But yeah guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.